Since the beginning of time, there have been events that everyone fears. Everything comes down to this one point in history. That one moment that decides everything. And in August 2025, the moment has finally arrived. The inspection.
Well, it's actually not as bad as the trailer makes it seem, but we do get inspected and we're excited about it because usually we are inspected as contract research organization, and this time around we're getting inspected as sponsor of our own trials. So this gives us the opportunity over the next weeks to share with you behind the scenes of the preparation that it takes to start planning for and engage in an inspection in Germany for a clinical trial conducted in Europe and beyond, and what inspectors might ask for questions, and share all of that knowledge with you out there. Since we at GCP Service are really passionate about sharing information and making clinical research more accessible, that's an awesome opportunity for us, and we really hope you enjoy the content that we have in store for you over the next week.